My children, grab your seat because today I'm taking you on a journey back in time to a place that not many people know about, the Great Wall of Benin. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't the Great Wall of China the only one that matters? Well, certainly, because let me tell you, the Great Wall of Benin is just as fascinating, and it has a story worth hearing. The Great Benin Wall, also known as the Benin Moat or Iya, is a remarkable earthwork structure built by the Edo people in present-day Benin City, Nigeria. The wall served to protect the royal precinct of the Oba and the city itself from external threats. But the European colonizers came and destroyed the Great Wall of Benin. Today, very little of the original wall remains. The networked walls is of over 1,186 km. The king warrior, using cutlasses and spears, unfortunately couldn't win the battle against British invaders who were armed with guns. However, the ancient city served a greater purpose, guarding the superior arts, crafts, and unique bronze work of the Benin people until 1897, when the British forces destroyed the wall, killed many people, and looted the artifacts of the city. The Oba's palace was burned and partly destroyed. Its shrines and associated compounds were looted by British forces, and thousands of objects of ceremonial and ritual value were taken to the UK as official spoils of war. More than 100 can be seen in a rotating display within the museum's African galleries.